Hey guys, it's Michael here from Happy English, and for today's English lesson, let's take a look at the modal verbs must and have to. I know a lot of English learners get confused when they try to use must and have to, so hopefully today I'm going to clear that up for you. Let's check it out. Both must and have to are used to show necessity, but the way that we use them is different. So let's check it out. Let's start off with must. As I mentioned, we use must to show necessity, and we use must when that necessity comes from the law or a rule. When you must do something, there's no choice. When you travel abroad, you must have a passport. You must have a passport. That's the law. When you drive, you must stop at a red light. You must stop at a red light because it's the law. Have to is also used to show necessity when there's a rule or a law. Have to is softer than must, but like must, there's no choice. When you travel abroad, you have to have a passport. You have to have a passport. There's no choice. When you drive, you have to stop at the red light. That's the law. You have to do it. There's no choice. We also use have to when someone tells you to do something that's a necessity. My doctor told me I have to quit drinking coffee. He told me I have to quit drinking coffee. My boss told me I have to work on Saturdays this month. The teacher said I have to study harder. You have to study harder. By the way, the usual pronunciation of have to is have to, 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 have to. My doctor told me I have to quit drinking coffee. I have to quit drinking coffee. The boss told me I have to work on Saturdays this month. The teacher said I have to study harder. So we generally use must or have to when there's a law or a rule. And we use have to when someone tells you something that's a necessity. When you need to talk about necessity in the past, you can use had to. There is no past form of must to talk about necessity. When I traveled abroad, I had to have a passport. You had to stop at that red light. That's why the police pulled you over. In a negative sentence, don't have to is used to talk about something that is not a necessity. Keep in mind, we don't say don't must. When you travel from New York to Miami, you don't have to bring a passport. You don't have to bring a passport. It's not necessary. When you're driving, you don't have to stop at a green light. How about you? Is there something that you must do in your office? Is there something that you have to do? Maybe there's something you don't have to do. Why not leave a comment and let us know? Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing, and I'll catch you guys next time right here at Happy English. Bye guys!